I think the only reason why my name is being linked or dragged to this investigation of the ICC or by those charging Duterte and the Vaudet squad of extrajudicial killing because they want to give the impression that the killing under the war on drugs, even the killings of civilians who are involved in drugs, is some sort of a national policy. They call that in the charges before the ICC as a common plan. So meron silang sinasabi doon, may common plan itong Duterte and the DDS and high officials of the government. Kung hindi kasama dyan ang Department of Justice Secretary, so paano hindi ka panipaniwala yon? Ba't magiging common plan yan? Ba't magiging national policy yan kung hindi man lang malalaman o kung hindi man lang i-involve dyan ang Department of Justice? So, yung common plan, invento lang yan. Invento lang yung national policy. It was because para magkaroon ng credibility yung charge nila against Duterte and company, dapat isama ang Secretary of Justice. Siyempre, paano magkakaroon ng common plan? Hindi magiging kapanipaniwala pag hindi kasama ang Secretary of Justice. Kasi kami ang we are in the justice sector. Kasama kami na siyempre lahat ng mga killings sa amin pinafile yan eh. So, ang gusto nilang sabihin, hindi namin ina-actionan. Paano hindi na-actionan? Kaya nga sinabi ko nga, ako nga naging instrumental dyan sa 3 pinakasikat na mga teenager na pinatay na yan eh. Dinala ko yan sa Malacanang, ako nagdala niyan.